How to hide suggested reels on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your Instagram account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right. Then simply scroll down in Settings and Activity and search for What You See. In What You See, you'll find Content Preferences. Click on Content Preferences. And as you can see, there is Snooze Suggested Post and Feed. It will suggest that posts are hidden in feed for 30 more days. Simply turn this off. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to hide suggested reels on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.